guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Wix website to your client. Let's get started. First, go to the Wix website and log in your account, then look for the specific site you want to transfer. Hover over it and click on this three-dot icon, then click on Transfer Site. This pop-up will appear where you need to type in the Wix email address of the client you want to transfer this website to. Next, just click on what you would describe this new owner as, who is your client. Then click Continue. Next, you can choose if you want to be a co-owner of the site or not. Then just click on Continue again. And then click on Transfer Ownership. A transfer invite will be sent to your client's email and they need to accept this invite. And then you will be sent an email once the transfer is complete. And that is how you can transfer your Wix website to a client. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.